Hey and welcome to Alt 1. So, you want to get rich with binary option? I think actually I found the most perfect way for you to get rich, the most easy way. So, I'm currently making a new show. This is day number 3, where we are copying other traders at Pocket Option. You can do so too. Just use the link you see up there now. Register right now. And also you find link below the video also to do that. So I have now had 2 profitable days with this copy service, and this will be day number 3. So let's see how we are done today. Hey and welcome to Alt 1. So this is an update video from copying other traders here at Pocket Option. As you can see, they are currently trading, but from what I did see, we are $835 profit since yesterday. So we are doing amazingly good. So let's take a look at some of the trades that have been doing it today. Does not show everyone, we can just see the last, but we can see I was lost a few trades here, but one again. So all in all, I'm doing good. So let's check the ones we are copying. Who have done what? I see now we are just copying one person. Little sad this one did stop to let us copy. I think we did amazingly good with this one here. Now we are currently copying this one. He have lost money. Maybe he is the one we are losing money with. Maybe we should consider stop. Wow, we are losing money with him. Let's see. For our copy trades today, well, we are making money with him. I don't know why he's losing. Let's see yesterday. Yesterday we lost $8. Okay. All the time we have basically made $177. So looks like as we are not copying maybe not everything then, we are doing pretty good. So I'm happy with it. We keep him for now. So, but now we need to find one more to copy. So let's see now. I think this time let's just take one that have used it because we see most of it. But, okay, we can take this one first. Let's see. Okay, he made money today. He made money yesterday. That's a good sign. And all time, he is down 9,438. Can be that he have been learning, but he made 2,305 trades. Let's see yesterday how many trades. 13. Okay, so I've been trading a while then. Let's give this one a chance. I guess as we see 2 days in a row profitable, let's give him a small chance. Let's put $50 as a maximum trade, and let's confirm. But I want to add one more. Let's take one user. Let's take this girl here. Let's see how she's doing. She made $4,360 today. She made 3,360 yesterday. And all time, she have lost, wow, 27,000. How many trades she did yesterday? 12. I'm not so sure about that. Lost a lot, but have do around 12 trades a day. So if we then consider 6,607, let's consider how many days she has been trading then. It looks like she traded every single day. So she has been trading for 550 days. So maybe she was super bad in the start. So let's give her a chance, but I don't want to copy too hard on her either. So let's copy. Let's put a limit to $50 on her also. And let's see how we do. And I think we want to copy one more. Let's take this one with the car. Ah, nice car. Let's see. Fourth, let's see how he did yesterday. No trades yesterday. All the time, he is down 1,600. Okay, 16,000 actually. Okay, 9,281. Let's see. 26. Let's say he do 50 trades. No, let's stay away from him. We can't calculate so good on him. Let's take this one from United States then. Let's take a look. Let's take yesterday, made profit, and all the time, wow, 93,000 he have lost. He's not giving up at least, but come on, 93,000 in minus, that's just crazy. Okay, we are not going to copy him. He have too much money to lose. Okay, let's look at this one. He looks professional at least. No trades yesterday, all the time. He made profit, but looks like he's new actually, 89 trades. Okay, let's be a little careful with him then. Let's put a limit on how much he traded, by the way. Let's go back. Highest trade is 1,500 and mean trade is 75. Let's do 100. Let's see if we can do profit with him. So then we are copying 4 people. Let's see tomorrow. Today is Friday. I don't think all of them will trade in Saturday, but let's see. It will be fun to follow. Of course, now we have 3 new people. If we're going to make profit, I don't know, but I feel we have done so good till now, so I feel quite comfortable that we are going to make some profit from them. But we need to follow, and I think we are around 1,500 up from till now, so we have much to go on. So, but if we start to see we are losing money on people, we just remove them, we find someone new. So it will be better if the people you're copying is letting us copy, because we found a few good ones. You can see this 4 here, at least this 3 was very good, but we need to just find a few good people, so we start to have at least 10 that we're making money with, and then if one have a bad day, we are still making money. That's my plan. So, but now we needed to add a few new people. I'm not super satisfied with any of them. Like this one now, he's not doing too good, I will say, today. You can see he's losing money, but as you see from us, we are in profit at least. So, but let's wait and see tomorrow. Tomorrow is another day, and I have a feeling that we maybe will lose a little till tomorrow, but we'll see. We will see. So with that, have an amazing day, and if you want to copy me with this, you find link below the video. Have an amazing day.